Hey guys, what's up? Cannabis Grow Guide here. We are on episode 6. Currently, I think we're about a month and a week into this grow. And yeah, these strains are looking amazing. I'm really glad I went with Crop King seeds. I was kind of skeptical at first, so I looked up some reviews and I found a lot of good videos of people's grows using Crop King seeds, so I kind of figured I might as well give it a shot. And yeah, their actual headquarters is in my area, so it's in my city, so it was really easy to get there, and they gave me a discount for actually coming in there instead of ordering online. I guess because they don't have to pay shipping and all that, or just go through the process. I don't know if the customer pays shipping or no, but anyways, yeah, I wanted to take this time to show you guys where we're at. As you can see, they've came a long way, especially the second one over here. It's already starting to catch up to this one now. Still got a long way to go, but I mean, for the difference in age, it's sure catching up. But I did top this one less, and I defoliated it less. Only topped it once, and I never defoliated this one yet, I don't think. So it didn't have to take the time to recover and all that, so it seemed to grow way faster. Um, Also, yeah, what are some other things I did? I added the trellis net. I actually made this one myself. I just used rope I got from local Canadian Tire. Um, they had a big reel of it. I just had to cut off sections of it, measure it, and set it up. It was actually really hard because my closet doors, uh, they open just to the right, and then I only have this little space between here and the wall here. So I had to reach all the way down there and tie those with one hand, and it was really hard. And yeah, I managed to do it though. Still got it all set up. I did get another tray for this one. I thought it would look way better, and plus I needed it. My other tray I had under there was too small for this pot. This is supposed to be a 7 gallon pot from Amazon, and I got uh like 6 of them, I think. But I compared it to a 25 gallon pot that I got from Canadian Tire, and it was the same exact size as this, so it makes no sense. Either this is actually a 25 gallon pot, or Canadian Tire sold me a 7 gallon pot, telling me it's a 25 gallon pot. Either way, it's not really too much of a concern. Um, I don't really use that other pot anyways, since I have these new ones. But yeah, I want to show you guys another thing. Um, as you can see here, we got a little bit of a deficiency. Now, I can't remember specifically which deficiency this is. It's probably either phosphorus or magnesium or something along those lines. Don't hold me up to it because I really cannot remember. But all I know is there's a deficiency because I was a little late on my feeding schedule. I haven't really been keeping track of it, so I was probably like 2 or 3 days off, and it started to show deficiency because it's growing pretty rapidly, as you can see. But yeah, check out how dense the middle of it's getting. It's filling out pretty good. It's starting to grow up to the trellis now, so I'm gonna be able to stretch those back a little bit more. And What else? Yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys today. Just another little update and closer look showing you guys, yeah, the upgrades I did. And yeah, hope you guys like it so far. I hope you guys are liking the videos. I know not many people are commenting or subscribing yet, so I want to take the chance now to yeah, let you guys know. Make sure to click the subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notifications so you get notified first when I go live, because if you're subscribed to a bunch of other people, you probably might not see it as well if you have the notification bell on. And yeah, guys, leave a comment. Feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the grow. If you have any tips or anything, if you have any questions, yeah, hit me up, guys. Here to answer all your questions as best as I can. And yeah, hope you guys have fun growing. And I hope my videos have been a help. Alright, peace out, guys.